Mazda's new large sport utility vehicle, the CX-80, has earned an impressive 5-star safety rating from the Australasian New Car Assessment Program, commonly known as ANCAP Safety. This achievement applies to all petrol, diesel, and plug-in hybrid electric vehicle variants manufactured from July 2024 onwards, showcasing Mazda's commitment to ensuring top-tier safety for all their customers. The CX-80 excelled in the Adult Occupant Protection category, achieving a score of 92%. It performed exceptionally in side impact, oblique pole, whiplash protection, and far side impact tests, receiving full marks in these areas. During the frontal offset test, the vehicle demonstrated strong protective capabilities for both the driver and rear passenger. While most body regions earned top ratings, the driver's chest protection was rated as adequate. In terms of child occupant protection, the CX-80 scored 87%. The vehicle provided good protection across all critical areas for child dummies in both frontal offset and side impact tests. This makes the CX-80 an appealing option for families prioritizing the safety of their younger passengers. When evaluated for vulnerable road user protection, the CX-80 earned a commendable score of 84%. It demonstrated effective physical protection for pedestrians, particularly in the pelvis, femur, and lower leg areas. However, some areas for improvement were identified in its autonomous emergency braking system. While the system effectively avoided or reduced impacts in forward collision scenarios, its ability to detect a cyclist during left-hand turns and motorcyclists in turning situations was rated as poor. The lane support system, on the other hand, delivered excellent results, earning full points for its functionality. Carla Hoerweg, Chief Executive Officer of ANCAP Safety, emphasized the CX-80's strong safety credentials, stating, "The Mazda CX-80 demonstrates a high level of standard safety, making it a reliable choice for families." Overall, the Mazda CX-80 proves to be a solid contender in the large sport utility vehicle segment, offering advanced safety features that cater to a wide range of needs. Families and safety-conscious buyers can feel confident in this well-rounded vehicle,